I've been enjoying these meetups with Outdoor Afro. This particular one, we decided to go ice skating. We went up to Bear Mountain, and although it was a crazy cold day, look at that sky. Humidity was low, and it was very sunny. So one of the things that was a bit of a struggle was, it was so bright, and obviously that reflected light off of the ice, etc. Made it hard for me using the camera. I couldn't see the screen at all. But did my best, and always when I'm practicing, I'm enjoying it. We got our Apple Watches set, and got data. Metrics is important to me. How they say, if it isn't in Strava, it didn't happen, right? In any case, um, it's been literally probably 40 years since I've been on ice skates. Yeah, I'm old. Um, but I did all of this stuff when I was a kid, so it pretty much came back to me in not too much time. We were out there for, I think the session was an hour and a half, and it didn't take long before I started feeling, the skates under me. But it was weird. I think that was I'm pretty sure that's the first time I've ever been on figure skates. I always skated on hockey skates as a kid. Never really had the figure skates underneath me before. That was strange. Um, but I just had to adjust to the flat blade and the serrated front edge. One time I tripped, on that, but I kind of got used to it. It was a lot of fun. Uh, we didn't mow over any kids. Nobody got hurt, and got a bunch of exercise in that hour and a half. So I'm pleased all around. And then, being that we're the beasts that we are, we had energy left. Uh, Ended up getting out a little dish sled and pumping ourselves down the hill a few times. That was also cool. I think I already, well, I know, I think I posted a video up on that. So um, it's kind of reverse order. We went skating first, and then we had some energy left over and got on the sledding. But check us out. You want to hook up with Outdoor Afro, look on the Meetup app, and join us out there for some fun. It was a blast, and we do a bunch of hikes, and I've gone on some camping trips with them. So yeah, I can't say enough. I highly recommend coming out and hanging out with us. It's rekindling the things that you either did as a child or you haven't done and always wanted to try. But having the company, um, and if I must say so, I think we're good company. Having the company and people who enjoy doing these things or are supportive makes it easier to get out there and try it.